Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Today I want to do the 100 on top of your small barrel for you.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So the small barrel is an unusual place to put the 100, but it's also a really good place to challenge your balance. And you never know when maybe all you have room to travel with is a small barrel or a spine corrector. So I chose to put the 100 on the small barrel so you could just kind of see how you can make an entire workout when you use a small barrel if you're using the OnlinePilatesClasses.com flashcard deck. If you have that deck, check out all the exercises that exist on the small barrel. You could do a full 20 or 30-minute workout and you can get flexion, you can get extension. I mean, it's all quite supported extension and quite challenging flexion unless you do the ab series off the front. So if you've got that deck, you can see that. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for not just supporting us by watching these videos, but on getting these decks, but also for sharing with us how you use them. It's really a lot of fun for me to see. And if you don't have our flashcard decks yet, get them. They're a lot of fun. They're really great to play with, and lots of people have really amazing ideas. So if you have questions about how to use them for yourself, you can ask me that in the comments below. So with the 100 here, first of all, you want to make sure you have a solid 100. You shouldn't be feeling in your neck, shouldn't be feeling in your back. It should be 100 you're ready to challenge, okay? And you're going to sit on the edge here, and then you want to go back on to the apex. And depending on how tall you are, you might have your tailbone off a little bit, okay? Just to kind of depends. I have mine at the edge. And then you'll send your legs to the high diagonal. The lower you go, the harder it gets. So just know that this is about as low as I can go today. Every day is going to feel different when you do this. And then, of course, you pump your arms vigorously for your 100 here. And if you tend to lean to one side, you're going to find out. You're going to slip to one side. So you would do your full 100 here, and you would notice what you're feeling from right to left. It's okay if your legs don't get to the level of your eyes. That may never happen just because this is an apex and not a flat mat, right? It just is going to depend on your body that day and where your practice is at. So, gauge that, but you shouldn't be feeling your neck and you shouldn't feel your back coming off of the apex. You should be taking up space on there. And this is, again, a challenge for 100 you already have connected with. If you haven't connected with your 100 with yet, save this as an aspirational exercise. If you have questions about this exercise, put in the comments below. And if you are looking for any classes to take after you've done a spine corrector workout, make sure you go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube to become a member of ours. So really great way to use your spine corrector. There's no classes there with it, but you can warm up on it and then hit your mat and reformer. And you'll see how amazing the small barrel or spine corrector can be when it comes to preparing you for your practice. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the notifications bell and subscription button so you never miss a video from us, and I'll see you next time.